G'day! In today's video, I'm having a look at a very cheap RGB fan that I've come across by a company called Touchaqua. The model number of this one is ZY-120025HL. These ones aren't too bad. They've got a bit of rubber matting on here to stop vibration. The bearings on it, I'm not too sure what they are, but these are virtually about the cheapest type of ARGB, or at least it uses the gigabyte style of connection of RGB fans that I've come across. So as you can see, there's the connection that we've got, which is currently the same connection that I'm using in this gigabyte board right here. Also, the fan on here is the AR12 RGB by Silverstone. So we'll have a look at the colours. So right now I find the brightness or the vibrancy of the colours to be less than the Silverstone fan here. But these were around $10 Australian a fan. So this machine has currently got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them installed. I wasn't able to make it 3 at the front due to the H18 headers here. So right there's a USB 3 connector which kinks straight down, so there was no way to actually fit all 3 fans across the front, which is a bit disappointing. But currently this is just getting controlled using the RGB Fusion app that's by Gigabyte. So right now it's just set to cycle colours. If we go pulse, for example, I'll give you another idea of how vibrant they are. But these getting used in a dark room, they wouldn't be too bad at all. But you can definitely see how far out the colour goes on here compared to on here. Even looking up there as well. But if you're just after some cheap RGB bling, spend around $40, as long as you've got the corresponding header on here, you should be right. What you're able to do with the fans themselves is just daisy chain them all together and then plug it into the single header. These do use the 4-pin fan connector. So what I've done on this board, which being it only has one, was just use a very cheap but simple and efficient fan hub. So that's running here. These are all daisy chained together along here. And from there we get a bit of RGB bling. Anyway, it's maybe worth checking out the Touchaqua fans. Anyway, that'll do. Catch us later.